welcome to the Resources Rising Stars series, the summer series here in Melbourne today. It's not quite summer weather, it's very cold, but we're excited to meet all the executives, MDs and everyone here today telling us exactly the outlook on the commodities resources front over the next 12 months and any updates we can find to find those investing hidden gems. I'm Grady, market analyst at Bell Direct. Let's go talk to some of the MDs and find out exactly what's going on and what to look forward to. Travis Binky, CEO of Australian Rare Earths. Now, tell me about the next 12 months. What's the outlook?
Yeah, so we've got a pretty exciting 12 months ahead of us. We just kicked off a drilling campaign of 30,000 metres over the next 12 months. Will help us to continue to extend the exploration target and the resource at Copper Murray, our flagship project. We're starting to add some early stage exploration projects into the portfolio. We believe that we've developed a really unique set of skill sets to be able to identify, assess and evaluate clay-hosted projects. So we're keen to see what else we can find over the next 12 months to bring into the portfolio to add some optionality and some scale.
Here today with Simon Lawson, Managing Director and CEO of Spartan Resources. Now, market volatility, no one can avoid it. It's all in the market, every sector, everyone here is not immune to it. Tell us about the results on Monday and how investors responded.
Oh, really well, I thought. Yeah, we were very solid for most of the day. There was a bit of volatility, as you say, over the next sort of 36 hours, but we've gone into a trading halt to raise some funds for a placement and some pretty big stocks. So we're pretty happy with where we're at the moment. Those results obviously underpin why we're able to attract those people. We've been consistently delivering some of the best results out there, and they're very confident that we can actually grow this.
Now, there's a lot of macro focus at the moment on the growth and the story of uranium, and that's exactly where 92 Energy plays into. Siobhan Lancaster, Managing Director, CEO, thank you for your time today.
Good to see you.
Good to see you too. Now, tell us about some recent results you've got. Uranium is the word on everyone's lips right now. How does that play into operations?
Yeah, sure. So actually we've had some fantastic results recently at our Gemini discovery in the Athabasca Basin. So we had a discovery 2 years ago and we've been drilling uranium ever since. In the recent drill program that we just had, we've just put some results out with a parallel structure of a mineralized zone that we've just drilled, which is fantastic. Hopefully that's going to be exactly the same as the GMZ or better when we start drilling back into it. And yeah, there was a bit of copper with it as well, so it's very interesting. There's 100 metres of hydrothermal alteration going through that, and it's beautiful.
Here at Kingsland Minerals with Richard Maddox, Managing Director. Richard, exciting times right now. Graphite is it's one of the words of 2023. Tell us about the energy transition and why graphite is so important in this day and age.
It's all about electric vehicles. Every battery in an EV car has got 50 kilograms or thereabouts of graphite. The increased demand, you've got the increased demand for graphite. So that's the long-term future of demand and supply. Well, especially our demand is very strong and supply is the opposite.
Yeah, Kingsland plays into this fundamental so well. What do the next 12 months look like and what can you update us on?
Well, we've just finished drilling our maiden drilling program up at Leyland, 2 hours drive south of Darwin. We'll have a mineral resource out by the first quarter next year. We're doing metallurgical test work now as well, so we expect that to be finished by about the same time, say March next year.
Yeah.
And I think with those two important milestones, that'll drive the project forward for more drilling next year for indicated resources and a lot more metallurgical test work and driving forward to a scoping study on PFS down the track.
Now, Patriot Battery Metals is the name on a lot of investors and brokers' lips at the moment. Now, Blair Way, the CEO, is joining me right now. Update us on the Corvette project. What's the latest? What can we look forward to in 2024?
We have a big 2024. 23 has been pretty exciting for a number of reasons, but we are well financed. We've got a massive drill program just wrapping up for the winter season, the fall season into winter. So January, we 10 rigs on the ground, drilling a massive amount, as well as putting our project description in by the end of this year, kicking off the permitting at the Corvette property as well. So we have a lot of catalysts, pre-feasibility study by the end of 2024, and an updated resource in the middle of 2024, so around July, August. So we have a big year ahead.
Well, that's all here from Resources Rising Stars in Melbourne. Back to normal programming next week. We hope you have a wonderful weekend, and that's all for our weekly wrap this week.